Part 2. Introduction to Arduino IDE on the interface of the IDE. The interface we will be using to write our codes is the Arduino IDE. I will now introduce the different parts of the IDE to you. This is the Verify button, which verifies the codes to make sure that there are no syntax errors when typing. For instance, some syntax require the uppercase of certain letters which may be neglected during typing. Also, the brackets and the semicolon are very important in coding, and we may miss one or two when typing. The Verify button will help us check for such error. However, the Verify button will not be able to check for a logic error in the codes. This means that if the code is compiled correctly, it may not work like what we expect if the logic is not correct. To check for the logic error, we have to do so manually. This is the Upload button, where the codes typed in the sketch number 5 will be uploaded to the board connector. It usually takes a while to upload after the button is pressed, so we will have to wait for a while for the codes to be uploaded. Once uploaded, the IDE will show Done Uploading at 6. This is the Serial Monitor button, where we can check for signals that are sent from the sensor. You can also do some debugging using the serial monitor by checking the line of codes. This is the location where we check the board and the COM port that the IDE is connected to. The COM port and board can be changed by going to Tools, Board to change the board, and Serial port to change the COM port. This is where we will write our codes. The basic sketch should include void setup and void loop. The void setup should contain codes that are supposed to be run once. For instance, variables, pin modes, initialization of serial monitor, and LCD. Void loop is where the codes will run repeatedly. The basic sketch structure should contain void setup and void loop with curly brackets to start and end the part.